What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm. If you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button and go ahead and follow all of my social media so that you can keep up with me. Alright guys, so in today's video I decided to do a sleek bun tutorial. I've been comfortable with wearing buns, and I've been wearing buns for quite a few weeks actually. If you guys haven't noticed my post already, I did explain that I have dermatitis. I forgot the type of dermatitis. I'm not gonna say it right. So I wanted to start filming again, so I found a hairstyle that's comfortable with me, where I can like manipulate my scalp or whatever and like hide some imperfections that kind of make me insecure. So if you guys want to learn how to do this super sleek and cute, this is cute, okay, cute bun tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm pretty much starting off with semi fresh hair. This is mine. I was kind of like born with this. I don't know if you guys can see my hair like flaking down, but yeah, my edges probably look white on camera, but in person it's probably white. It's ashy. And I don't know if you guys have been watching like my old videos, but my hair has fell out drastically. So yeah, I've already co-washed my hair. I have a prescription shampoo, and that actually dries out my hair so bad, like it gets so dry, and you know we want to keep the moisture in our hair. So I just co-washed it. But anyways, let's just skip all of that. So I'm starting off with like partially fresh co-washed hair because I was having trouble with my mic. But I'm going to wet my hair because it's easier for me to work with. Since my scalp is like this dry, I did go to like my local store and I picked up this Cantu shea butter apple cider vinegar root relief. This is it, and I'm just gonna see if this works. It soothes itching and irritation, refreshes scalp without washing or water. It says it's great for weaves, braids, locks, and extensions. I don't have either of those, but we're gonna pretend. Okay, I can't use this. Ooh, chow. But it makes it look so nice. But unfortunately, I can't use it because it has alcohol in it. I'm gonna go in with my Sulfur 8 medicated hair grease. I'm then gonna take my Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioner. As you guys will see, I love the Cantu line. It has alcohol in it too. I need to slow up on the Cantu. I'm just gonna like take this brush. It's really like the brush you use to like slick down your edges or whatever. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like crusty. But I'm just gonna take it to like detangle my hair a little bit because I don't know where my detangling brush is. So right now this is gonna work. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more Sulfur 8. I'm very like generous with this product. I'm gonna work this in the middle of my hair too. Ooh, chow, the nappiness. But I'm just going to like kind of work detangle my hair with the rat tail comb. I don't need the naturalistas being on my page like, oh my god, you're supposed to start from the bottom to the top, whatever. Like, I don't need to hear that. I'm already going bald anyways. So now that your hair is, now that your hair is pretty much detangled, you're just pick how you want your hair. Now, since I'm not completely comfortable with like my sides, I'm going to, I think I'm just going to do like the side part. I feel like this is like my worst side. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like a side part. So since my hair is already damp, it's going to be a little bit easier to work with. I say damp your hair. If you want to work on dry hair, that is up to you. Personally, I don't do it because it's just harder to work with dry hair. Next product that I'm going to be using is the ProStyl gel. Yes, we gotta bring it back old school. Since I found out that I have dermatitis, I have been using ProStyl gel. It's alcohol and paraben free. It's vegan, non-flaking, radiant sheen, hard hold protective. I know that Eco Style Gel says that they're non-alcohol, like there's no alcohol in their products, but for some reason, that stuff legit burns my scalp like no other. So I'm just going to use my ProStyl gel. And I'm gonna use a generous amount. I don't know how much y'all be using, but I'm using a lot. And then we're just gonna fix this. I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel, bring out some baby hairs over here. And such. Look at the brown stuff. The last thing that I am going to do is the sock bun. Now, I do have a regular sock bun, but I don't know what that thing is. This is why I say damp your hair. If you want to use, if you want to use dry hair, you can, but the bun just looks so much better when the hair is still moist. And you are just gonna take this, you're gonna take the rubber band, and then you're just going to put it over the hair. And then you can like twist it with like any excess hair. This is my little go-to bun since my dermatitis. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow all of my social media if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.